Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Previously, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Mijalul Solihin. I am from Electrical System Study Program. I'm here. I will presentation about instrumentation for power distribution assessment, more precisely on the instrument for inspection in the distribution network. Previously, what is inspection? Inspection is a visual check or maintenance to determine the condition of an equipment. In electricity, inspection is needed to ensure the quality of the power sent, especially in this distribution network, so that is channeled properly and according to standard. Because now I will presentation or discuss about inspection of distribution network, especially insulator. For the first, this is a insulator. Insulator is a portable device for measuring the condition of the insulator range that can be used in distribution and transmission network system in a state where the network is still energized. To work, this device requires direct to contact with the insulator by touching or gluing the two electrodes with two opposite sides of the metal part on the insulator plate. This is a insulating stick. Insulating stick. This is insulating stick is an insulate stick was and is the main by which the measuring device is attached, used to reach the measuring device to the insulator range. The leg depend on the operator standard of safe distance based on the network voltage rating support by the insulator. The higher of the network voltage rating, the larger the insulating stick used. This is a graph sheet. This sheet of paper that has been laid used to get a curve of measurement result with an insulator. For the second, this is a positron insulator tester. This is positron insulator tester. This device works on the working principle of measuring an electric field that is disturbed over a series of insulator doesn't have an electrode and doesn't require direct contact with an insulator as well as insulator. So this positron insulator tester is different with insulator. But used a probe mounted on a type of slide that makes it easy to slide the probe across the insulator. This one strike. This is insulating stick, same with before. An insulated rod was and is the main by which measuring device are attached, used to reach the measuring device to the insulator range. This is same with before. And next, this is a Bluetooth device. A Bluetooth device, this is used to part of the device positron insulator tester, which is used to transfer insulator measurement data stored in the probe to PDA point. to then display a graph of the measurement result. Next, this is a PDI point. PDI point is a part of the persistent measuring device used to download data stored in the persistent insulator tester probe that has been obtained in the field. Obtainment in the field directly via a Bluetooth device before further data analysis on a computer. For the next, this is infrared thermography. Infrared thermography is a measuring instrument that functions to measure surface temperature by using infrared video and still cameras. These tools select that is in the heat spectrum. The resulting image helps the auditor determine whether insulator is needed. They also serve as a quality control tool to ensure that insulation has been installed correctly. And this is a test result image. This is an example of the analysis of the best results that have been carried out. It can be seen that the maximum temperature of the component is this is 102.8 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature is 48.5 degrees Celsius. For the reference temperature of the component that have been fired is 68.3 degrees Celsius. And the next, this is a visual capture. Visual capture is the result of taking a visual picture of the contactor component on the electrical panel. In the picture, it can be seen that there is a red circle which is a cable or includes an insulated conductor inside the panel. This is red circle. The red circle is intended to explain in more detail the components that need to be repaired. And then this is a graph. This picture is a graph of the firing point change temperature so that it can be seen that the x-axis is the firing point with an interval of 10, while the y-axis is the temperature of the component being fired. Based on the graph, the minimum temperature of 48.5 is between 0.0 until 10, while the highest temperature of 102.8 is at point 110 until 120. The length of the graph is affected by the length of the analysis line. And then this is the result table from the analysis when we have text. And maybe that's I can present if there are mistakes in the delivery or material, speech, or an action. I'm sorry, professionally, and the last essay. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.